Hi, I'm Lauren, and today I am making our Mexican street corn salad. I love this recipe because you can serve it as a side dish with your favorite dinner or serve it up on game day for the perfect appetizer. I'm just gonna start by chopping up one red onion. So you can chop these up as small as you want or keep them as big as you want. I am not a huge fan of onions, so I'm gonna be chopping them pretty small. Okay, so I'm just gonna chop up half of the onion and throw that in there. And this will break up a little bit more when we stir. And then I just have half of a bunch of cilantro that I'm gonna chop up. All right, so I'm gonna throw in all that cilantro, and you can add as much or as little as you'd like. I know not everyone is as big of a fan of cilantro as we might be. And then I'm just gonna take one jalapeno. I'm actually gonna cut the seeds out of the middle. If you like it spicy, feel free to leave the seeds in there, but because we will be serving this for the whole family, I'm gonna cut out the seeds there in the middle, just to get rid of that. Okay, now for the rest of the ingredients in the salad, we're gonna add some feta cheese. Next, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We like to use light mayonnaise, but you can use regular. I have 1 clove of garlic chopped up and half a teaspoon of chili powder just for that extra little kick. So I'm gonna mix all of these together, and then we're gonna head over and work on our corn. I have a 16-ounce bag of frozen corn that I'm going to heat over the skillet and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use fresh corn if you want, but the frozen corn is still delicious. It tastes just as good as fresh corn, and it's an awesome shortcut. Okay, now I'm just going to pour in our charred corn. Okay, and to top off our salad, we're just going to squeeze 2 limes for some fresh lime juice. I'm just gonna roll these out to make sure we get as much juice out of these as we can. Okay, we're just gonna stir in that lime juice, and then we are ready to serve. Like I said, this is perfect for a side dish, or if you want to serve it up with chips for the game, that works great too. You can find this recipe and so many more on our website.